Hello friends, welcome to MCAT Solutions knowledge sharing blog. I have already shared butterfly assembly and shock assembly with parts. Now we are going to start pipe wise assembly. This is 3D view, isometric view of pipe wise assembly. Bill of material, BOM is given, quantity and part name is mentioned. There are 5 parts: base, screw, handle, movable jaw and handle screw. We are going to start from base part, and after finishing all these parts we will start pipe wise assembly. Front view, top view, right hand side view is given. So let's start. Part design, enter part name. For creating base part we required these 5 toolbars: sketch based feature, dress up feature, transformation feature, reference element and sketcher. I am going to use position sketch. Top plane is selected. I have selected top plane. Reverse edge, swap, OK. So centered rectangle. In top view, length and width is given 170, 60, 170 by 60. Exit from workbench, pad, material is added, 20 mm length. Then next operation is again pad, 42 and this sketch. So we need to create one plane over here. So we have created centered rectangle, its width is 60. Plane, I have selected front plane, offset from plane, offset distance is 12. Okay, so 45. Position this new plane. Then I have created axis line is here. Distance between edge and axis line is 70. Okay, 70. Now sketch. Three-point arc. Okay, random sketch is created. Horizontal line and edge, right click, coincide. First element, second element, right click, allow symmetry line, symmetry. Same, select this point, right click, allow symmetry line, symmetry. 22. So from this vertical line to axis line distance is 22 given. Then 25, 40, 72. 25 from this line to this line distance is 72. Okay, angle between this inclined line is 85. Okay, 60 distance. Arc, vertical line, right click, tangency. Project this point on this axis line by coincide. Radius for this arc is 65. From this point to edge distance given is 60. You can see the sketch is completed. Exit from workbench, pad, up to plane, select this planar face. Okay, material is added. Again select this top face, reverse edge, swap, OK. I have created circle over here. Give distance horizontally 70 and vertically 42, divide by 2. Diameter for the circle is 30. Exit from workbench, add material in 18 length, 18. Okay, now it's time to add remove material. You can see here one rectangle from bottom side. I have rotated this part, reverse edge, swap, OK. Centered rectangle, length and width is 20 by 40. 20 by 40. From center to edge, distance given is 70. This is 11. Exit. Pocket 20 plus 25 plus 40 plus 17. So this is 62. 20 plus 25 plus 40 plus 62. 20 plus 25 plus 40 plus 62. Okay, so material is removed. Now it's time to add hole. Select edge and surface. Diameter is 20 and up to next. Okay. Another operation is again pocket. Three-point arc. First point, second point, third point. Vertical line. 25. Edge. Sketch concentricity. Overlap this. Make tangency 55. Okay, so corner command, radius for this arc is 5. Exit. Pocket length is 10. You can see another pocket is given, so we need to create one more plane over here. 42. 42 reverse direction, 42 divided by 2. Okay, plane is created. From specification tree, I have selected pocket, mirror, okay, so this feature is mirrored. Then hole, position this, double click on dimensional constraint, vertical and horizontal distance, this is 30 and this is 15. 170 minus 140 divided by 2, so 15. Exit from workbench. Diameter given is 13 up to next. Okay, Remember friends, whenever distance between two holes is given, instead of mirror use rectangular pattern command. Current solid body hole, instances and spacing is given, so I have selected here instances and spacing. Instances 2 and spacing is 140. Reference direction, this direction, you can see hole is added. Okay, now fillets 5 mm radius is given. Select edges, enter 5 and okay. Again edge fillet command, 3 mm fillet is given for this side. 1 2 3 4 and zoom in 5. 3 mm. Okay, another hole is given. Select hole command, this face, position this, divide by 2, from here to here it's 35. Exit from workbench, diameter given is 8 up to last. Okay, base part is created. By using these commands and two planes. Here also fillets are given. I think this is 3 mm. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Edge fillet 1 2 1 2 3 and one more 4. Okay, isometric view, front view, view mode. Select here view mode, shading with edges and hidden line. Okay, top view, right hand side view. Next part is screw video. We'll see screw part. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.